Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttradesolutions.com on a Friday. This is 5 April. Welcome back, everybody. We had the non-farm payrolls this morning. Came in a little bit hot, but market did recover from yesterday's kind of major sell-off. Overall, let's get right into the charts. Again, I'm having a class next Thursday. It's going to be really important in right now with all the underlying stocks moving, and it's having to do with a stock equivalent option strategy, meaning trying to get as much of the movement of a stock with options and with much taking advantage of the leverage of the options market and having a lot less outlay. Having some of these big moves in some of these stocks that we talk about all the time. So again, it's Thursday. Register at the link below. Okay, let's get right into the charts. And pretty much if you look at what's happening, I make mention that we essentially keep range trading. This is my thesis here until we break down, and we haven't been able to break down. I mean, if you think about this chart here, this bullish thesis still remains largely intact. Whether that changes, a couple notables I'm going to point to you today, this afternoon, but you can see that you can see the chart of the NASDAQ, just big broad ranges. You can see there's nothing more. What's been moving lately is more so I've been more focused on the Dow. The Dow has been having some big swings. This is, underperforming. It's going to be interesting to see. But you can see, talk about some big, massive swings in the Dow. That's really where it's at here. And then the Russell just kind of contained here, very, very tightly coiled up, probably ready for a move as well. All about interest rates. Yields have been all over the map here. Looks like they're putting in a range, probably going higher. You can see there. Notable today, I just want to point out a couple things. VIX did stay above 16. I've been talking about the VIX. The VIX did not drop like it does in other recovery rallies. We had the VIX spike when market sells off, and then it quickly, shoots right back down, especially here. I don't know if you can see that right there. We had that big jump with the CPI scare, and then, came right back down. That didn't happen today. Even the market did recover. So it's going to be interesting to see that, plus rates going up, the dollar also, basically just chopping around, nothing going on there. Made mention of this since last couple of weeks. Gold still the standout, and it's can be also a bit troubling. Why is gold going up? I wrote about it over the weekend. Again, subscribe to the newsletter. You cannot have gold and the stock market continuing to go in the same direction. Something is going to give. So that's another kind of minor warning sign. Silver did catch a bid again this week. We did pull back. Remember, all-time high on silver is 30. Is it $30 an ounce? Is it going to get there? We'll see. If it's going to play catch up to gold, probably there. And then copper also starting to get another leg higher. Oil, we know about oil. That also jumped on geopolitical concerns. That's starting to heat up. Maybe that is the next, kind of situation here that's keeping the VIX higher over the weekend. It'll be interesting to see. The CPI next Wednesday, is going to be really, really big, I think, with all the inflation talk heating up, and now the Fed pushing back on the timeline and rate. So that pretty much sums it up. Very, very choppy trading, back and forth. You got to trade the ranges. We've been doing that using SPY options. We bought puts and calls. We sold out the puts yesterday. We closed out the calls. We're going into next week similarly until we break out of these ranges. That's what you can do. Futures trading been very choppy. So if you want to learn about some of that, we'll be doing that in the class next Thursday. Okay. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday. Take care.